Guys, magandang araw. Magluluto tayo ng toppings ng rice, guys. Toppings. Yan, guys. Kumukulo na yan, guys. Lagyan natin ng ano, oil, guys. Tapos lagyan natin nito, guys. Bawang at sibuyas. Yan. Bawang at sibuyas yan, guys. Mekos-mekos na natin yan, guys. Mekos-mekos, guys. Mekos-mekos natin yan, guys. Yan. Kahoy panggatong natin, guys. Mekos-mekos. Tapos, lagay natin ang karne, guys. Yan. Ang karne, guys. Lagay na natin, guys. Yan, guys. Lagay na natin ang karne. This karahay is on fire. This karahay is on fire. Fire. Yan, guys. Sabawan na natin, guys. Usok-usok na yan, guys. Mekos-mekos na yan, guys. Mekos-mekos na yan. Mekos-mekos na yan, guys. Topping to ng rice, guys. Topping. Pwede ito pang ano, lunch at breakfast. Unahan natin, guys. Lagyan natin ng tuyo. Soy sauce, guys. Soy sauce. Yan. Konti lang. Soy sauce, guys. Soy sauce. Kunting sabaw lang, guys, para manuot ang kanyang natural na lasa. Yan, guys. Takpan natin ng ilang minutes lang. Takpan natin kasi maliit ang hiwa niya, guys. Madali lang itong lumambot. Lambot pa more. Yan, guys. Kunti na lang pagtitiis, guys. Matikman na natin to, guys. Yan. Isusunod natin yun, guys, yung carrots at saka sayote. Saka repolyo, guys. Yan. Kumulo na siya, guys. Pagkahoy talaga, ang daling kumulo. Yan, guys. Pang toppings to ng rice, guys. Pang toppings. Lagyan na natin ng ilagay na natin, guys. Madali lang yung lumambot ang karne, guys, kasi maliit ang hiwa, guys. Ito, guys, sayote. Sayote. Carrots. Sayote. And carrots. And carrots and sayote. Carrots and sayote pa rin. Carrots. Na. Yan, guys. Mekos-mekos na yan, guys. Mekos-mekos natin, guys. Mekos-mekos natin toppings, guys. Sa rice, guys. Mekos-mekos na yan, guys. Ang aso-aso dito, guys. Yan. Isunod na natin yung repolyo, guys. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik, guys. Ganyan ako magluto, guys. Madalian, guys. Mekos-mekos na yan, guys. Yan. Mekos-mekos na yan. Takpan natin ulit, guys. Tapos na yung timplahan, guys. Simple lang yan, guys. Simple as that. Simple as that. Yan guys. Ayan. Tapos ang kahoy natin. Huyupin natin. Para sumiga. Para aapoy-apoy yan guys ba. Para kulo-kulo yan guys. Hintayin natin guys. Madali lang yan guys, maluto guys. Madali-dali lang na yan maluto guys. At yan ang ating toppings sa rice natin guys. Easy way of cooking guys. The easy way of cooking. Yan. Toppings na yan guys. Toppings na yan. Kulo na yan guys. Pakulo na yan. Hindi man yan kailangan lumambot talaga yung mga carrots. Kasi masarap din yung crunchy. Crunchy guys. At ito ang ano natin guys. Recipe ngayon. Mausok na toppings ng rice. Mausok na topping ng rice. Pwede na to guys. Pwede na to guys. Yeah, ganyan lang guys oh. Ganyan lang natin sa rice guys. Yan. Ganyan lang guys. Topping sa rice guys ba. Sarap niyan guys. Yan. Yan ang topping sa rice guys. Kitam guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Also watch and share, comments, and like. Thank you in advance guys. See you next video. That's the topping of my rice today. Yun. Topping of my rice. Babush guys. Babush.